Patok na negosyo simula noon hanggang ngayon. Narito na ang Yummy Fries and Burger at iba pa franchise business. Marami nang magtitiwala sa business na ito, kaya simulan mo nang magnegosyo. Good news kay Yummy, bukod sa fries and burger, pwede pa kayo maka-order sa amin ng iba pang products. Tulad ng siomai, pizza, siopaw, shawarma, corn dogs, sisig, Asian noodles, and sulit meals. O-order ka lang at wala na tong additional fee. Bukod doon, wala na tayong royalty fee, renewal fee, hidden charges at lifetime business na. Package inclusion, free store renovation, complete set of equipments, freezer and chiller, free crew training, opening assistance, use of trademarks, signages and menu board, 15,000 worth of initial inventory, lifetime business.